For USD developers, building, profiling, and optimizing large 3D scenes can be a very complex process. ChatUSD is an LLM that's fine-tuned with USD functions and Python-USD code snippets using NVIDIA AI Workbench and the NeMo Framework. This generative AI Copilot is easily accessed as an Omniverse Cloud API, simplifying your USD development tasks directly in Omniverse. Use ChatUSD for general knowledge, like to understand the geometry properties of your USD schema, or complete previously tedious, repetitive tasks, like generating code to find and replace materials on specific objects, or to instantly expose all variants of a USD print. ChatUSD can also help you build complex scenes, such as scaling a scene and organizing it in a certain way in your USD stage. Build bigger, more complex virtual worlds faster than ever with ChatUSD Generative AI for USD workflows.